Happy Friday, everyone. This is Christian DeBouche, licensed real estate agent with a real broker, and I help families buy and sell homes here in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County. If that's of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or send me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete. It's on all my social media. I want to bring to your attention my favorite house that came on the market this morning. This is a beautiful 3-bed, 3-bath, 2,900 square foot property. It's on the water. It's listed with Remax Action First of Florida, and Trudy Austin Sessa is the listing agent. This beauty, let's start. It's on the bay. It's got over 80 feet of waterfront. It's got a lifted dock. It's got two pools, one main pool and one heated spa. What else can I talk to you about this? Like it's water on both sides. It's in Clearwater Beach, and it's got a two-car garage. It's got an open floor plan. It's got crown molding on the ceiling. I mean, this is beautiful, and it's listed for just $2,850,000. Now, these homes are remarkable, and if these are of interest to you or any other homes here on the Gulf you are interested in having a conversation about, give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete. Can't wait to talk to you.